Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Supabase into Make.com. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can build automations, connect apps, and manage your scenarios. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on the dashboard. If not, sign in first and then continue from there. Once you are on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This will open a new scenario canvas, which is where you add apps, choose actions, and build the connection between your tools. Starting a fresh scenario keeps the setup organized and makes it easier to focus only on the Supabase integration. After the scenario page opens, use the search field to enter Supabase. Searching directly is the quickest way to find the app, especially if you have access to many integrations inside Make. As you type, Make will filter the available apps and show matching results. When Supabase appears in the list, click on it. This tells Make that Supabase is the app you want to work with in this scenario. At this point, Make will usually prompt you to choose what kind of action you want Supabase to perform. Next, select a sample action. The exact action you choose can depend on what you want your automation to do, such as creating data, retrieving records, or updating information. For this walkthrough, the goal is simply to get the integration started, so choose the sample action shown on your screen. This step establishes the type of interaction Make will have with your Supabase project. After that, select a sample connection. This is the part where Make links to your Supabase account or project so the scenario can communicate with it. Make sure you choose the connection option displayed in the setup flow. If you are prompted to confirm or authorize anything, complete that as needed so the connection can be used successfully. Once that is done, click Save. Saving applies the action and connection you selected and places the Supabase module into your scenario. This confirms that the integration has been added and gives you a foundation for building the rest of your automation. At this stage, Supabase is connected inside your Make scenario, and you are ready to continue configuring the workflow based on your specific use case. If you want, you can review the module one more time before moving on, just to make sure the correct action and connection were selected.